If you want to stop Zapier notifications and clean up your inbox, this video will show you exactly how to disable them in just a few quick steps. Whether you're getting too many alerts, only want to silence certain messages, or simply want a quieter workflow, this guide will walk you through the settings you need to change. And before we jump in, if this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Zapier keeps account level options, including your personal settings and notification preferences. After clicking your profile, choose Settings from the menu. This will open your account settings page, where you can manage different parts of your Zapier experience. On the settings page, look for the notification section and click it. This is the area where Zapier controls what alerts you receive and how often you receive them. Next, click on My Notification Settings. This takes you into the detailed notification preferences for your account. Here, Zapier lets you adjust alerts for different types of updates. So if you only want to disable one category instead of everything, this is the place to do it. Now find the notification alert you want to turn off and click Edit. This opens the settings for that specific alert so you can change how often Zapier sends it. You'll usually see a frequency option, and this is the key setting that controls whether you keep receiving those messages. Click the frequency dropdown and select Never. This tells Zapier not to send that notification anymore. If you want to disable additional alert types, repeat the same process for each one. That way you can fully customize your notification experience instead of relying on default settings. Once you've made your changes, click Save to apply them. Zapier will update your preferences right away, and those notifications should stop coming through based on the settings you selected. It's always a good idea to double check that your changes were saved successfully before leaving the page. And that's it. You've now learned how to disable notifications in Zapier. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.